Your home is a wealth building asset. It's not a liability.
There are three keys to what we're talking about today. Key number one, you gotta have a 750 credit score. Key two, $10,000 plus down payment from your real estate commissions. And key three, 5 homes to freedom. This is how you're going to pay $450,000 cash for your dream home.
Average home in America is now $370,800 according to Forrester's Financial. Key number one, a 750 credit score. Why? With a high credit score, it'll save you $156,000 in interest. 6 months of credit repair only costs $350.
Key number two, get a real estate license. Average cost, about $750. Some states, a lot less. Average time, about 60 days. $750 in 60 days? Why? Simple. That real estate license allows you to earn a real estate commissions, typically 6%. 3% as a buying agent and 3% as a selling agent. Because you have a real estate license, that's a possible $11,000 down payment. That's right, your real estate license becomes your down payment.
This is worthy of repeating. This is where your down payment comes from. For $750, you just came up with an $11,000 down payment on your home. That's how you can come up with your down payment. It's real.
Key three, 5 homes to freedom. Debt-free ownership in 120 months. The IRS code has a personal resident rule. It says that you can tax exempt up to $500,000 in gain on the sale of a home that you and your spouse have lived in for the last 24 months. If it's just you singly, it's still $250,000 in gain tax-free.
Most people don't realize that homes are going up over 5% a year nationwide. In some states, they're going up over 10%. But for this example, let's say that you lived in a home taking advantage of the tax-free exemption. We're going to use 10% home increase in 2 years.
This is how you're going to accumulate the $450,000 debt-free home at the end of 120 months. Buy a starter home, $330,000. Sell it in 2 years, $65,000 tax-free profit. Buy a better home, $395,000. Sell it and add a $77,000 to your first home, $142,000 tax-free profit. Better zip code, home 3. Buy a $472,000 home. Sell this home, add it to the profit of the first two, $229,200 tax-free profit. Home number 4, buy it, $560,000, a newer home. Sell this one, $328,000 tax-free profit. Home number 5, a wonderful elite area. Buy it, $658,000. Sell it 2 years later, $440,000 tax-free profit, and that puts you into home number 6, debt-free, 5 homes to freedom. That's how it's done.
This is how your home becomes an asset. These are the numbers. Pause this screen. Break down these numbers with your calculators and you'll see how we got there. They're very conservative and they're very real. This is happening around you right now today. I have a complete video on this spreadsheet that walks you through the numbers and shows you how they work.
Who are we? I'm Rick Roller, 40 years of real estate experience, agent, broker, mortgage broker, investor.
Who am I? I'm Eric Laver. I've had 2 businesses that have done over $500 million in sales. I was listed in Forbes 500 as one of the fastest growing companies. I've helped 2,500 people make over $1 million.
We just showed you how you can pay $450,000 cash for your home in 120 months without getting a raise or even working a second job.
We have much more content to show you on how this process works and how you can generate $450,000 in cash. Like and subscribe.
And you'll get the whole story.